The union government on Wednesday informed the Supreme Court that Delhi has got higher per capita oxygen allocation as compared to similarly placed other states and asserted that a uniform pan-India approach has to be adopted in disbursement of oxygen depending on the caseload. The Supreme Court on Wednesday refused to re-examine its 1992 verdict, which put a cap of 50% on quota, turning down the plea made by various states that the ceiling fixed by court be scrapped and they be allowed to grant reservation beyond it. The US State Department said on Wednesday it had approved the voluntary departure of non-emergency US government employees from India because of a surge in COVID-19 cases. The Supreme Court on Wednesday disapproved of an state Delhi High Court's contempt proceeding against the centers and its senior bureaucrats over supply of medical oxygen to Delhi and said distribution of available oxygen needed a pan-India approach for equitability apportioning given spiraling COVID-19 cases in the country. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Wednesday assured citizens that as soon as the state has sufficient vaccine stocks and adequate place for inoculation center, it will open the vaccination drive in a full-fledged manner. In a bid to provide relief to the Maratha community, the MVA government is looking at bringing in schemes and concessions along the line of those extended in September 2020 after the quota was stayed by the Supreme Court. BJP President JP Nadda on Wednesday took a symbolic oath here to protect democracy and save the people of West Bengal from the cycle of political violence. The pandemic situation in India made another round of global headlines Wednesday after two members of Foreign Minister Jaishankar-led delegation at G7 were reported to have tested positive in London. The US lawmakers have applauded India's decision to not allow Chinese telecom companies to conduct 5G trial in the country. The Department of Telecom in India on Tuesday had approved applications of telecom companies Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea and MTNL to conduct 5G trials, but none of them would be using technologies of Chinese entity. Although Salman Khan's films are known to be high on action scenes, the actor has never dabbled in martial arts, sword fighting and other forms of action in his previous film, and this is exactly what we will see the Dabangg star do in Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai.